Yes guys, and welcome to event 4. This one here is called the engine, alright? This will be taking place in the sky room and the yard, okay? But we've got a bit of a busy zone here, so in your teams of 4, just make sure you are staying in your own zones, guys, okay? So, this workout, we have a 15-minute time cap. You'll be scoring on 2 things for this one. You're scoring on time, and you are scoring on reps, okay? You will be splitting yourselves into same gender pairs, okay? So 2 girls, 2 guys. And as a team of 4, collectively, you must complete 2,000 meters on that skio, okay? That is what you will be scoring on for time. And reps, you'll be scoring on max reps wall balls. So, first pair will make their way to the skio, and they'll be completing 1,000 meters. Okay, that is half the distance. I go, you go work, splitting out however you want. One person works, one person rests. Whilst the first pair is doing that, second pair will be working max reps wall balls. Again, you are scoring on that. Okay, I go, you go work, one person works, one person rests. Once the people on the skio finish their 1,000 meters, they will swap, and the other pair will repeat the same again. Whilst the skio pair make their way to the wall balls and work I go, you go, getting those reps in. However, during this workout, every 4 minutes, your team must complete 1 full round of the following. Person 1 and person 2 will make their way to the bico, and they will complete 6 calories each. I go, you go, work. The other pair will make their way to the dumbbells and will complete 6 devil's press each. That is not I go, you go, and that is not synchro. You just must complete 6 reps each, making sure your chest hits the floor and you are snatching that dumbbell all the way to the top. Okay? You then swap over with your pairs and finish that 1 round. Once that is completed, you make your way back to where you left off and you graft it out again, guys. Your scaled weight during this workout, females will be using 6 kg wall balls at an 8-foot target, and males will be using 9 kg wall balls at a 9-foot target. For the dumbbells, females will be using 10 kgs, and males will be using 17.5 kg dumbbells.